Hey everyone, it's me, Maria Fontana, your favorite intuitive business consultant and growth strategist. So today in this masterclass, we're going to cover a question I get so often from a lot of my clients. And it's really something that we all have access to, but so many of us don't use it. So today's masterclass is going to be how to use and fine-tune your intuition to help grow your business to 6+, even 7 figures. So first and foremost, I want you all to just sit back right now, wherever you may be. And if you're watching this class, I want you to focus 100% of your attention on what I'm going to teach you today. I want you to turn off all your distractions, put your phone away if you're not on it, shut down everything else, and take a deep breath. So take a deep breath. Do it again. Feel how amazing that feels. Now, I want you all to really pay attention to your heart center. Your heart center is right here in your chest. That's where your intuition resides. We hear it sometimes. Some of us have clairaudience, which means we hear our intuitive messages like someone speaking to us. Some of us actually visualize our intuition and we actually see things before they're going to happen or while they're happening. Some of us may get different sensory stimuli, like you might get a chill or you might get this weird feeling or a pit in your stomach. Everyone's different, and the way your intuition shows up for every single one of us is different. So really tune into how your intuition shows up for you and how it resonates inside your body. Now I want you to take another deep breath. That feels so good. So first of all, number one, how to fine-tune your intuition and help it grow your business. It's really simple. I want you all to know that every single one of you has intuition. Some of us have our intuition a little bit more sharpened because we use it. And some of us, we have quieted down our intuition and actually put it to the back burner because perhaps parents, teachers, educators, family, our caregivers, when we were younger, had discredited anything that our intuition may have caused us to say. So this is a normal thing that happens to a lot of people. It's very common and it's okay. So you need to forgive all those people who may have shut down your intuition, shut you up and told you to, kids are meant to be seen and not heard and all that other nonsense that has been taught over the ages. Now, once again, forgive the people that shut you up and forgive yourself for not knowing any better as you got older. Now is the time to really wake up that intuition and start listening to it. So it is a God-given gift that we all have. It's our sixth sense, and it can be sharpened like anything else. It's like an athlete. The more you use something, the clearer, sharper, and more athletic it becomes. So number one is, I want you to really intentionally spend time in silence every day. So that means 2 minutes, 1 minute, a few minutes a day. Make it a point to spend time in silence, especially nowadays with all this technology. You have to intentionally shut down everything as I hear a chainsaw drilling outside my window while I'm trying to do this. So the irony, shut down everything and spend a few minutes in silence. Now, if you would like to meditate or you would like to learn to meditate, that's great. If you just want quiet, that's great too. Number two is go out in nature. I don't care if it's 5 minutes. Go out and sit by a tree, go out and walk on the beach, go walk your dog outside, go look at the trees, go look at the sky, even spend a few minutes outside before you go to bed and just look at the stars. Connecting with nature instantly connects you more to your intuition. Now, walking barefoot on the grass, on the dirt, on the sand, even 2-3 minutes, it can really help ground you and connect you once again. But you have to intentionally take these things and take action and pay attention to how good it feels when you do it. Number three, you have to do things you love. So intuition is fed by a happy soul. If you're constantly in a state of emergency, constantly in a state of burnout, constantly in a state of I gotta run, you're not focusing on what really is. You're always trying to get to the next thing. This clouds intuition because it's not being heard. So your intuition comes from a place of love. It doesn't come from a place of fear. Coming from a place of fear or lack is your ego. So you will learn intuition is protective, and it will, let's say you're going somewhere and also you're like, you know what? You hear that in your head, go left, don't go the way you normally go tonight. That's your intuition guiding you. It's not coming from a place of fear. It's coming from a place of love. It's not fearful. You will learn that when it feels good and it comes from the inside, that's your intuition. When we get red flags, when you get a chill, when you meet someone and something feels off, when you start second guessing your first choice, that's your intuition. Your first choice, 9 times out of 10, is your intuition. And then when you start second guessing it, that's your ego coming in and trying to cloud your judgment. So remember, focus on what you feel. And when you start really listening in, you will get better and better at it. When you say yes, but you really meant no, that was your intuition and your ego fighting there. So someone said, hey, would you like to come to this party at 7 o'clock tomorrow night? We're going to be listening to a band. You're like inside, silently, you're like, I don't want to fucking go there. No. That's your intuition. It's no. Oh, well, I'll let you know. We'll see. That's your ego shutting your intuition up. You see how that goes? So your initial answer, what comes from your soul, is your intuition. Okay. Another great tool is having a journal. So I'm a big fan of journals. I have a whole bunch of them here. So this is like a daily, I always have one. You buy them. You can buy them at TJ Maxx. You can buy them at Marshall's. You can buy them anywhere that makes you happy, honestly. And every day, make it a ritual. Once again, put it in your calendar in a ritual to journal about what's going on. It could be your feelings. It could be your thoughts. It could be your goals. I suggest journaling every day or every other day if you can't handle every day, because some people, it's a challenge for them. So make it a goal. Say, I'm going to set an intention to journal every day. Don't think of it as a job. Think of it as a release, that you're releasing stuff out of your body. You're letting go of that energetic cellular memory. Because remember, guys, the body has cellular memory. That's why we have learned behaviors, because our cells remember stuff and just keep repeating. If we don't practice eliminating that cellular memory, it's going to come back over and over again and have you repeat the same patterns over and over again. And last but not least, which I really use every single day, it's such an important thing, is gratitude and breath. I do an exercise. This is my own creation. I learned part of this from my healer, and I have incorporated into my own life. While I'm working, let's just say I'm at the computer 2-3 hours working on my business or wherever I may be, I make sure I take 2 to 5 minutes to just breathe. And with every breath, thank the universe for something. So I might be like, thank you for my kids. Thank you for my clients. Whatever. Thank you for my eyesight. Thank you for my husband. Thank you for my home. Thank you for my dogs. Thank you for my teeth. Thank you for all the money I have in the bank. Thank you for all the millions that are coming to me. Now, even if this is not a true fact yet, if you thank the universe for what you have, the abundance will start to flow. But if you're saying it, but you're not logically believing it, it's not gonna work. So remember, thoughts are learned behavior, and we can change those learned behaviors. Intuition is something bigger than us. It's not our rational mind, it's our superpower. We all have it. Fine-tuning it is simply implementing these rituals and some other rituals. There's not only these, there's a lot more, which I can cover at another time if you guys like this, and implementing them every single day. Disconnecting from the noise and really listening to what your gut is telling you. We have the gift, you have the gift, you can hone in on it and use it every day. How to use this in business? Well, when making clear decisions, when making decisions on how to invest in something, when making decisions, I use this a lot with my clients when creating their niche, choosing their niche, choosing their messaging. It's all intuitively based because our intuition knows exactly what we need. It's not what society's telling us. It's what our life purpose is. And if you are here to monetize your mission, and monetize your magic and create a business that's going to resonate with your soul, you must master listening to your intuition. So I hope this helps all of you. I am so honored to love and support all of you. Here's giving you tons of love and light, and hope you have an awesome day.